Jason here with Virtual Open House Listings. In this short clip, we're going to talk about what is on the right side of the screen. So, we've got three things here that we're going to talk about. We'll talk about the VR, the share button, and the full screen. So, if you click on this is the VR view. So, Google Cardboard, Samsung VR. If you put the headsets on, you click here, boom. Now you're really virtually in the home. Share button, you can share this, Twitter, Facebook, email, or just copy the link and do whatever you like with. This is the full screen button, so you click this, and if you're on your computer, or on your computer really, because on your phone and your tablet, once you open up the tour, it opens up to the full screen automatically. But when you're in a website like this on a computer, it will just stay here within the embedded window unless you hit this. If you click this, the full screen button, it will open up full screen.